In 1993, Silicon Valley was already full of powerful technology companies. Intel dominated chips. Big players controlled the market. In the middle of all this, 3 engineers started a small company with an uncertain future. One of them was Jensen Huang. They didn't have influence. They didn't have much money. What they had was a belief that computers were about to change and graphics would matter more than anyone realized. They named the company NVIDIA. The early days were difficult. NVIDIA's first major product failed. It didn't sell as expected. Money was disappearing fast. By the mid-1990s, the company was close to shutting down. Jensen Huang later explained that NVIDIA had enough cash for only one final attempt. If the next product failed, the company would be finished. Most founders would have played safe. Jensen did the opposite. He made the decision to abandon NVIDIA's original strategy and rebuild the company around a single bold idea: faster, specialized graphics chips. It was a huge risk. In 1997, NVIDIA released the Rive 128 graphics chip. This time it worked. The chip was faster than competitors and gained attention in the gaming world. NVIDIA survived, but just barely. For many companies, survival would have been enough. For Jensen Huang, it was only the beginning. In 1999, NVIDIA introduced a new term to the world in the GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit. At the time, GPUs were seen as tools for gamers. Most people didn't think they mattered beyond graphics. Jensen saw something different. He believed GPUs were not just about visuals. They were about parallel computing, the ability to process many tasks at the same time. For years, that belief seemed ahead of its time. Then came the dot-com crash. Markets collapsed. Tech companies disappeared. Once again, NVIDIA faced pressure, but the company survived. Years later, researchers discovered something unexpected. GPUs were incredibly powerful for artificial intelligence and deep learning. Training AI models required massive parallel processing, exactly what GPUs were built for. Suddenly, NVIDIA was at the center of the AI revolution. This wasn't luck. Under Jensen Huang's leadership, NVIDIA had invested in AI software, developer tools, and research long before AI became mainstream. When the world finally caught up, NVIDIA was ready. Today, NVIDIA powers some of the most advanced AI systems on the planet. Jensen Huang is considered one of Silicon Valley's most respected CEOs, but his story is not about overnight success. It's about surviving failure, making hard decisions under pressure, and believing in the future when the world doesn't see it yet. This is how Silicon Valley is really